Highigan fam, welcome back to the channel. Today you're going to be getting a sneak peek and first look at the all-new lights from ViparSpectra. We've been running with Vipar lights pretty much since we started the channel, and we've had an amazing experience, and we absolutely love their P series and XS series lights. We've had great results with the KS5000 and P4000 in the 5x5 and the 4x4 grows for over a year now, and we've noticed zero defects or issues with these lights after over a year of running them with no issues. There's no yellowing or peeling of the coating like some other lights on the market. No LEDs have burnt out, and there have been zero issues with all of our Vipar lights. And that's with running them at an 18/6 and 24 light schedule for over a year. Zero issues. That's one of the reasons that we were attracted to ViparSpectra lights when we were first purchasing lights for our grows. The features, build quality, and price is really what set ViparSpectra apart from the other light manufacturers on the market when we were looking to set up our first grow. So our relationship with ViparSpectra started as us as customers and big fans of their products. When they stepped up and wanted to sponsor our channel to help with the content that we create and everyone enjoys, we were really happy and appreciative because YouTube does not really support the content that we create, but we do appreciate them for stepping up, believing in our content, and supporting what we do. And with that being said, we are beyond excited to bring you guys their all new series of lights, the KS series from ViparSpectra. They haven't released any models in over a year now, so it's exciting to see them come out with the all new big bar style like most other manufacturers have already released on the market. And these big bar style lights are really great for some styles of growing. We did a whole video talking about what styles of lights we think work best for what style of growing. So if you guys missed that one, make sure to go give that a watch. The KS5000 arrived nicely packaged in the box with everything you need to start using the light right away. Once removed from the box, it's very easy. All you have to do is simply unfold the light because everything is assembled. There's no bars to install or adjust, and it features a really nice beefy integrated hinge, which I like because it makes it a little cleaner and flush when the light is unfolded. And it also features 4 eyelets for attaching and hanging the light. Inside the driver box includes everything that you'll need to get this light hung and going. It includes 4 ratchet straps, a hanging cord for the driver, the manual, some stickers, patch cord for connecting to other drivers, and a 220 volt adapter. Hanging the KS5000 was very easy because of its lightweight aluminum chassis. Heaven was able to hang it up quickly all by herself, first attaching the 2 eyelets to one side of the ratchet straps and then just lifting the other side to connect it to hang it fully. The KS5000 comes bundled with a 500 watt SOSIN driver with daisy chaining capability so you can link multiple lights together. It also features a fixed position dimmer knob. I will say that I do like an analog dimmer knob so I can dim my light anywhere from 0 to 100%. But with a fixed position knob, this only offers positions at 25, 50, 75, and 100% power. And one of the great features of this new driver is that you can mount it remotely. In fact, there is no way to mount the driver on the light itself. It comes with a hanging cord, so you can either hang the driver within your tent or place the driver outside of the tent with plenty of cord running back to the light so you can still adjust your heights and place the driver far away from your tent if desired. One thing I did notice that I would like to see change is the length of the power cord attached to the driver. The issue that I faced is that because the cord on the driver is so short with no option of switching it out to a longer cord, it doesn't have the standard power supply plug on it. It's hardwired into the driver, and it's approximately 3 feet in length. So for us, with our power strip inside the tent, the cord was virtually so short we could barely put the driver outside of the tent and have it still reach the timer strip to control the light. That being said, you may need an extension cord if your timer is located inside your tent and you want to mount it remotely, or you'll need an outlet close to wherever you end up putting the driver, with hopefully enough cable length to run back to the light and still give you some adjustability and height if needed. I do like, however, that you can hang the driver versus mounting it on top of the actual light fixture. This makes it nice so you can put it low-key in the corner of your tent hanging, and gives you easy access to adjust the brightness and features of the driver. The overall build quality of the fixture itself is excellent. Its aluminum construction means that it's lightweight and will dissipate the heat, just like other Vipar lights and what you've come to expect. This light runs cool to the touch, dissipates the heat well, and is built with quality construction. KS5000 features a 6-blade design with a bar space evenly across the fixture. It measures 40 inches by 40 inches and 1.6 inches tall, and ViparSpectra lists it as being suitable for a 4x4 grow tent. If you guys are interested in picking up the new KS series of lights, either the KS5000 or KS3000, which is rated for a 3x3, you can use the code Highigan KS on Amazon to save yourself 3%. It does help the channel out here, so we really appreciate you guys who are interested in these lights, and we also have discount codes below for all other ViparSpectra lights on the market currently. Just so you know, these lights are slated for release in early March, so keep your eyes peeled if you're interested, or hold off if you're planning on updating your lights in your grow. The ViparSpectra KS5000 features Samsung's latest LM301H horticultural series diodes at 3000 Kelvin and 5000 Kelvin, and it features OSRAM red LEDs at 660 nanometers. The deep red helps in flowering and promotes tighter bud structure and more resin production, while the 3000 Kelvin and 5000 Kelvin in cool and warm temperatures help balance this light spectrum out to provide excellent growth from seedling all the way into flower. And taking a look at how the LEDs are placed on the bars, they are denser out towards the edges and thin out towards the middle. This promotes a more even par output across the lights rather than having a hot spot in the middle, as lights typically tend to. By spacing the diodes out denser at the edges and thinned out towards the center, this helps eliminate that hot spot and give an even par coverage across the whole footprint of the light. And at 16 inches and 100% power, you can see that the par coverage map in a 4x4 for the KS5000 is very even compared to other lights in the same segment. The even par coverage is going to help make sure that all your plants within your tent are going to get the equal amount of light and the par that they need to flower as hard as they can. Even though this light is designed to fit inside a 4x4, this would offer equally exceptional performance in a 5x5 tent as well. We've been running the KS5000 in the 5x5 tent for a couple months now, just getting acclimated with it, and it really does perform awesome. The spectrum is very similar to our XS4000 light that we still have in the tent, but with the KS5000, it is the perfect size to fit in there for offering veg and seedling coverage for over half the tent. So everything that we run with our perpetual with autos, we have seedlings on the left, veg in the middle, and bloom on the right. So on the right side, we have our XS4000 providing higher power coverage, more even for all of our plants in bloom. And then our veg and seedlings sit under the KS5000, giving them perfect coverage, and with the external driver helps cut down on heat in the tent. So we've really been loving using the KS5000. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're interested in these new ViparSpectra lights, make sure to check out the links in the description below and use code Highigan KS on Amazon to save on these new lights when they hit the market. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell for notifications, and check out our YouTube channel members if you want to support our content. It really does help a lot with everything that we do. You can give us a follow on Instagram for more behind the scenes photos and videos. Make sure you check out our grow series videos if you want to see how this light performs in our grows. You're definitely going to want to check that out. And thanks so much, guys. We'll see you in the next one.